New Honda Civic is very similar to the model which had debuted. Honda has made some minor revisions for the Thailand spec model. Pricing of the 11th gen model starts at 964,900 baht for the entry-level EL trim and goes all the way up to 1,199,900 baht for the top-of-the-line RS trim. Dimensionally, it has grown by a slight margin. It is now 4,678 mm long, 1,802 mm wide and is 1,415 mm tall. In comparison to the last gen model, it is longer by 30 mm, wider by 3 mm and lower by 1 mm. The wheelbase of the 11th gen Civic stands at 2,733 mm, whereas the 10th gen iteration had a 33 mm shorter wheelbase. The new gen model looks quite upmarket and follows the distinctive family design language of the brand. It gets an upright face with a solid chrome band for the radiator grille. The headlamps are sleek and come with integrated LED DRLs. With the long hood, tapering roofline and a stubby boot, the 11th gen Honda Civic looks sharp. On the sides, the alloy wheels attract some attention as they measure 19-inch in diameter. Sadly, in the Thai market, Honda has restricted the rim size to 17 inches for the top spec RS trim. Other variants ride on a set of 16-inch alloy wheels. The RS trim comes with black highlights for the alloy wheels and other styling elements. As for the interior, it also remains largely the same as what we saw when it first debuted. For the RS variant, a 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system and a 10.2-inch fully digital gauge cluster come as standard, while lower variants only come with a 7-inch part digital instrument cluster and 7-inch touchscreen. Unfortunately, the 12-speaker Bose sound system from the North American and Japanese Civic did not make it into the Thai market Civic, so it's safe to say this also won't be available for the Philippine market Civic. On the upside, the Civic RS comes with LED ambient lighting. Power comes from a 1.5-litre 4-cylinder turbocharged petrol motor, contributing a peak power output of 174 PS and 240 Nm of max torque. It is a jump of 5 PS and 20 Nm of peak power and torque output, respectively, over the last gen model. Talking of the fuel efficiency numbers, Honda claims a figure of 17.2 km per litre.